jumped up to try to keep it in, gloved on it. Now a steal. Suprian. Is it in? The referee says no.
The lights are flashing. Mr. Short-handed almost had himself another one.
Quincy Suprian, I saw last Wednesday, and he talked about the great buy-in of his group. He's getting great goaltending. Sadowskis Edwards, my goodness. Liang kept that out. What does Northern Manitoba have to do? And they're right in the hunt again. A team, the last time they were here, weren't that close. Lang tried the same move, really, that he scored his overtime winner on against Trenton, and I hope Daxton's okay.
He's just winded.
Number 91, who heads off on a change. Lots on the line. Halls, a steal. Sargent, he scores! Sam Sargent gives Kam River the lead.
Our intermission guests talked about two-way game and shot blocking. Kristanowicz behind the net, pickpocketed. Didn't realize there was a guy behind him. Right out in front.
Not a clean handle, then Edwards shoveled it to the front. Suprian jumps on it. Marlon Edwards. Chichu Laughlin, they score! Quincy Suprian on the redirect to tie the game at 1. Perfectly executed. And Suprian has his first at the Centennial Cup. Debray dealing with Bernier. Podubny's got a break. Podubny, he scores! Carter Podubny, and Kam River is back in front.
There was a break in the river, right at the blue line. And Podubny a stick check on Laughlin. That doesn't happen often.
Puck off the glass. Kellerman, he's had a lot of shots blocked tonight. Moving in, they score! Benson Hurst through Sadowskis, and we're tied again.
One period of no goals, one period of 2 goals, including a late one, and period 3 of 2 quicker goals. Working it from D to D.
Northern Manitoba, they are 1 for 5 tonight with a man advantage. Benson Hurst, who has just scored, dishes. Ward, he scores! Brett Ward finds the back of the net, his second of the tournament, and Northern Manitoba leads for the first time. Benson Hurst from Lac-du-Bonnet, Manitoba. McLeod tipped, Timmerman reaching, it hit the post. Carter nailing.
The craziness that happened to the side of the net that started it all off. The deflection, the bounce, right there the whack from Nayland. A game of inches, Lou, maybe millimeters. He had a guy coming right at him. Look at the angle. That is half an inch.
Almost a must-win situation for Kam River. Off the draw, it's Podubny. Looks off the side of the net. McLeod blocked. Lang, Podubny. McLeod tipped, just missed, and that'll do it. A close call for the Fighting Walleye. The Northern Manitoba Blizzard are playoff bound. A regulation win, their second win of the tournament. Their other game, they lost the game in overtime. They have 7 points and they're back in front atop Group A.